Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vikyan. By the grace of Ma Bagla Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. However, without further ado, let's start the today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measure. Today, 17th September 2020. So let's talk about the first sign of zodiac, Aries. Students should be concentrate on their studies. You will be able to take good advantage of your hard work. You will strive to achieve your goals. Your opponents will fail. You will feel better after evening. You will have more work pressure in the office. Though your lucky number is 1 and there is a remedy for you, your brothers and relatives will waste your money, so be careful about that thing. Then let's talk about the second Taurus in the zodiac. You will feel repressed. You will spend a good time with your friends. You will be interested in art and literature. You will share your heart's feeling with dear one. All your works will be completed on time. Post noon, some of your problem will get solved. And your lucky number is today 9. And there is a remedy for you. Keep a yellow cloth with you for whole day. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. Seek advice from your well-wisher before starting some new work and take care of your family for a good relationship with your loving one. Your lucky number for the day is 7 and there is a remedy for you. Throw coconut in running water any of time of the day. Then let's talk about Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. You might get some good news from the day and changes made in work field will prove beneficial. You might go on some business trip and colleagues will be on your side. Some big deal in business might get finalized today. Your lucky number for the day is 2 and there is a remedy for you. There is a possibility of various diseases and false accusations. So be careful about that thing. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. Your confidence will increase today. You will make some plans for the future from the day. Good customer movement will notice in a business and you might take some big decision regarding economic investment. People related to banking and finance will get very good benefit. And your lucky number for the day is 9 and there is a remedy for you. Do not accept any electrical or electronics goods as gifts from any of your relatives or friends or known or unknown person. Then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. You will try to meet your goals today. Feeling of love will increase in a married life. You may be humiliated in work field. Trust your decision instead of others. You will make better use of your efficiency and organization capability. And your lucky number for the day is 7 and there is a remedy for you. Your mother's body sick is likely to be bad, so take care about her. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. Try to be self-dependent. Don't trust anyone. You might have some problems in eyes and heads today. Trust your abilities. Your relationship might turn sour. You should avoid debate. It will be appropriate to do some important work before noon. Your lucky number of the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Maintain a good relationship with your in-laws. Then let's talk about Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. You will make some entertainment programs with the family today. Your status and respect in the society will increase today. Those connected with the administration will get benefits. You might conduct some religious event at home. You will spend a memorable time with some of your dear person today, and it will be very good for you and your health also. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. You spend money in a court case for no reason. So very much careful about these things for the day. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. Do your work firmly. Time is favorable for your business activities, and import-export related business will give you a very handsome returns today. Take care of yourself, otherwise you will be sick. You will get financial and mental support from your father and father-in-law also. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Electric equipment will not be beneficial for you, so keep a safe distance from those things. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. Economic activities might be slow. Do not talk too much with strangers. Keep good behavior towards your family and friends also. There will be a situation of confusion in the office, so be careful. Circumstances will come under control after evening. Your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Sneezing while going to work will be very bad for your work today, so very much careful about these things. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. The beginning of the day will be very good. You will be able to use your knowledge in a meaningful way. Love will increase in married life, and you will face false accusations. So do not conduct any debate for the day. Do not invest your money unnecessary about anything. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Refrain from alcohol, meat, and adultery also. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or you may say this the last sign is Pisces. You will take a state of relief after repaying the old loan. Your enthusiasm and dedication to work will increase, and it will also increase your respect. The day will be very auspicious for the people associated with the profession of advocacy. You will get an opportunity to meet old friends, and you will also take time for your love also. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Throw 400 grams of nuts at the base of a flowering plant. Anyway, This was the judgment of Arise to Peace from today's match, her question and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi, like every day, let Hey Ma keep everyone well and keep them healthy, and create a situation so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measure that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you don't not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike, and I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else. Like you, if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to tell those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new in this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provide for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from my channel. Maybe I am here today, I'll be back at the right time tomorrow. I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measure to judge pieces from the Arise in front of you. Take care and goodbye for the day.